you for joining us on today's newscast of Teaching in Today's World. I'm Haley Brown, and I have some breaking news about cloud-based word processing. Let's go to Mrs. Green in one of her classrooms and watch as she discusses cloud-based word processing with one of our fellow teachers.
Hello, Mrs. Green here. I'm broadcasting live from Pirate Cove Elementary School. I'm pleased to introduce you to one of the finest fifth grade teachers of this school. May I present to you, Mr. Samir.
Why, thank you, Mrs. Green, for the wonderful introduction. How are you today?
I'm doing well. How are you today, Mr. Samir?
I'm great. I'm excited to be here to talk to you about cloud-based word processing. It is surely an interesting way to use technology in the classroom.
So what exactly is cloud-based word processing?
Cloud-based word processing is just like writing in a Word document. But for this Word document, it is stored on a cloud via the internet. Students can type out their notes and store them on a cloud. Their notes will not be lost or messed up when using the cloud-based word processing. They can log on to any computer, anywhere to access their notes. Another awesome feature of cloud-based word processing is that the teacher can set up a Word document and it can be shared with the class. The students can go in and add their notes and comments for everybody to see.
Wow. Cloud-based word processing sounds like it is very useful in the classroom. What are some examples of cloud-based word processing software?
Well, you have Google Docs, Flickr, Microsoft Office, Zoho, and there are many more. But I have found that principals and teachers really like the use of Google Docs. Let's take a look at this short clip of what principals have to say about Google Docs in the school system.
The biggest thing with Docs is that it's accessible 24/7, 365.
All my docs are right there, no matter what machine or what station I'm on.
We're able to incorporate and integrate the Google Apps and the Google Docs into pretty much everything we do in the school.
Google Docs has really given my students control over their own education to a higher degree than they've ever had before.
One student isn't just sitting in front of the computer and the rest are looking over their shoulder. Now, finally, all the students are able to participate in one particular assignment.
That is really neat how principals and teachers find that Google Docs is changing our schools and helps our students go beyond the norm of the learning environment. What do students have to say about Google Docs in the classroom?
Well, let's take a look and find out cloud where is allowed.
With Google Docs, I can write it on the Google document at home, open it up on my email here, then finish it up.
Instead of bothering about emailing documents back and forth, I'm just okay, I can just save it and I'm good to go from Hong Kong, from India, wherever I am.
Cloud-based word processing software is allowing the students to be able to learn at any time of the day. Some are learning and working together at night in their own home. Having cloud-based word processing allows the students to automatically save their work. They do not have to worry about losing any information.
I understand that cloud-based word processors also allow for collaboration across the world with our students.
Most definitely. Our students are able to collaborate with students from all over the world with cloud-based word processing software. This is one of the fascinating wonders of technology in our classrooms. Our students can begin a project here in the United States and then have opinions and peer reviews from another student living in Australia. These students can work together and even have conversations with each other inside the word processing software like Google Docs. They can collaborate online and use the cloud-based word processing software to save their information, share their ideas, and communicate with conversation.
I really appreciate your time here with us today. Your information about cloud-based word processing software has been very insightful.
Thank you for having me.
Cloud-based word processing. Thank you, Ms. Green and Mr. Samir, for that wonderful presentation on cloud-based word processing. We hope that you will tune in next time to Teaching in Today's World. This is Haley Brown signing off. Good night.